In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in Hubspot. This process is essential for enhancing the user navigation experience on your web page, allowing visitors to jump straight to the information they're most interested in. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. It's a good idea to ensure you're already logged into your Hubspot account for a seamless experience. If you aren't logged in yet, now's the time to click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed straight to your Hubspot dashboard. Once you're on the Hubspot homepage, look for and go to the trial guide section. This is crucial because it serves as your entry point to the other tools you'll be utilizing. Navigating through the structure might differ slightly based on your subscription and the services you're using, but for this tutorial, focus on locating the trial guide. With the trial guide open, the next step is to click on the content section. This is where you'll be able to manage and edit your website pages. From there, proceed to website pages. It's important to keep in mind that HubSpot organizes pages in a straightforward manner, so finding your specific page shouldn't be too challenging. When you get there, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Now click on the page where you would like to insert an anchor link. This could be any page you're aiming to enhance with better navigation. Once your chosen page is open, you'll need to look for the Add button. Clicking this will provide options that allow you to enrich your page with various elements. After clicking Add, the next step is to find and select the anchor option from the list you're presented with. Adding an anchor is a simple way to create a link or bookmark within your page, making it easier for users to jump straight to specific sections of content. Inserting an anchor involves positioning the anchor tag at the place in your content you'd like users to jump to. For the best results, place these strategically around key sections or headers of your page to maximize usability and enhance user experience on your site. Make sure your anchors are clearly labeled to maintain consistency and ease of navigation across your site. And that's it. You've now inserted and managed anchor links on your HubSpot page. This addition can vastly improve usability and help guide users through your content seamlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and happy navigating.